show you guys how to update drivers on your PC, whether it be Windows 10, Windows 11, or those that want to install Windows 8, or people that like install Windows 7, but it's actually outdated. Windows doesn't bring out release update for Windows 7 anymore. So, but this is actually Windows 10. This system PC can't carry Windows 11, so I have to install Windows 7 on it. And I see it fit for me to show you guys how to actually update your drivers in case either you install the OS, your mouse is not okay, your Bluetooth is not recognizing, your Wi-Fi connection is not showing, maybe your audio is not speaking, playing out. So you actually first fix you have to do is actually to update your drivers. And what drivers does is driver is just like an interface between a link between the operating system communicating with the hardware. So let me say for instance the speaker is actually an hardware manufactured by another company. So for your OS, which is actually Windows you're using to be able to play sound through that speaker, there is an interface which is the driver which allows the operating system to dictate or notice that there is a speaker connected and let me use the speaker to play out sound. Same thing as the Bluetooth. If you want to transfer file, you actually need it, and also for the Wi-Fi, there's also a network card for that, which the operating system can be able to dictate our Wi-Fi card for it to be able to search for network signal. But if you can't see that, the first fix is actually to fix your drivers, which is actually what I'm going to do now. I'll be using a Pro app for that. You can use a lot of apps which you can use to do this, but there's always one that is actually portable and that allows me to install the drivers on the person's client PC without leaving any trace of the app on it. So just follow me as I show you guys everything about how to fix and update drivers on any Windows PC. I'll just click on the file manager, which is actually this is actually the file manager, and over here I'm accessing my external hard drive which is connected to the PC. I'll click on this, and this is actually my hard drive. I'll click on compress. That's where I have all my apps downloaded. You can see here I have a lot of apps. Not a marketing strategy, but most of my apps I downloaded from iGetIntoPC.com, so you can go there to get premium apps. And if you need a video on how to install it, just drop a comment below, and if I get up to 20 comments about this, I'll do a video on how to activate most of the applications you get from iGetIntoPC. So let's move ahead. I'm gonna be using, so the app is it into PC IOBit driver booster. That's what I'm using. I'm using Portable. Portable allows you to run your application, and when you remove from your hard disk or your hard drive external device, so it's not installing to your system, it's just running it on top of your drive and on top of your device, whether your flash drive or your hard disk. So when you pull it out, app goes away. It's not installed on the system. So that's what I'm gonna use to drive this PC. So I'll click on this to open it. I'll just type the password, I'll paste it, which is iGetIntoPC. Just click OK. It starts installing. I just install the app. So while it's installing, you can also update your PC, like going from Windows Startup, click on Settings. Then over here you scroll down to Windows Update and Security, and it starts doing this update. I'll just accept yes. Now this update is gonna take a long time and it's gonna consume a lot of data. This update, actually this Windows update, is gonna fix some drivers, but it's gonna consume the minimum I know you can use up to 2 GB above for it to update the devices inside the system. But this one actually allows you to, this driver booster allows you to choose optional drivers you want. So now it's now installed, running on top of my hard disk. What I just need to do is to go to my internet and connect my device. it's gonna request for password, which I will put because this is actually a client's PC, not mine. I'll now type in my password. So it's now connected. So just a quick one, I'll just go turn off automatic updates, set up my metered connection so it doesn't consume much of my data. Close this, then come over here, driver booster, scan, start scanning. I may skip this video a little bit so you don't waste your time, it doesn't get boring. So over here, maximize this. You can now see it's found out 15 outdated device drivers and 11 not installed game drivers. So actually, this is what it actually discovered on this PC. So what I'm gonna do, and if you watch it's able to dictate because it's connected to the internet. It was able to dictate the current driver which is actually installed with OS, which is with the system. So, but the updated one is 2017. So these are actually, if you watch where it's actually downloaded the updated driver for almost all the applications. Then we come to network. So it's now, this is actually April, the 1st of April 2023, latest driver for the network adapter. So over here now you can now have access to check all of them, which is not what I'm going to do. I'm going to download only the device driver that needs to be updated. So if actually your Wi-Fi network is not working or your speaker is not working, you can just check others and check that one you want to fix. So it will help you to actually drive. So if you are done driving it, it didn't work, you now know that the hardware, which is either the sound card or the device that is actually inserted or connected to the system is now bad. But this is actually the first step to do. Most of guys, technicians, this is what they use to collect money from you guys. They don't run an upgrade driver and they tell you they change the hardware. Why they didn't change the hardware? Charge you for changing the hardware. They just run the device driver on your PC and was able to fix that error and they charge you for that. So this is just a quick tips on actually how to resolve issues. It doesn't cost anything and you save your money. I also learn some technical knowledge about it. So let's just click. I'll just click on update now. It's gonna ask me whether I want to set up my restore point. But I'll just click OK and it starts downloading. So I'll just keep this part. It's actually the total of 175 MB. If you watch well, it didn't consume much. But if I had gone through the Windows update driver, update, it's gonna consume more than this. So I'll just skip this video towards the end part, then continue from there so that it doesn't get boring. Alright, so it's done, it's downloading and it wants to install. So it's actually asking me to set up system restore. So what system restore does is actually good. It's gonna record the settings on this system before installing this driver so that if something comes up, if there's a challenge or a problem, it's actually gonna, you can actually go back to the previous settings. So I'm gonna turn it on because it's very important. In case maybe after running an update and some applications or something stops working, I can still revert it back to the settings it was before installing this driver. So I'll just click on OK and it starts installing.
Actually, it's done installing, downloading and installing. So over here is actually where we can now run a reboot, which is actually necessary. So over here is the drivers which are not installed. If you scroll down, these are the ones that are updated and up to date drivers that have been updated. So if you scroll down, you see all the drivers that have been updated. So we'll just click on reboot, and when we click on that, it's gonna restart the system and make some effect on the changes on those things that has been updated. So the update is gonna take effect when we click on this reboot. So thanks guys for watching. Please like, share, drop a comment below. If you have any questions, I will respond. Then subscribe to this channel for more great content. So now click on restart and off we go.